Hi everyone. Okay, today is going to be a short video. So I made some more what with the merchandise that just came in. So I made some more wedding kits, and these are really pretty and totally different from the one that I just made the week before. Okay, so I'm going to show you more or less. Okay, this is the pack, but it doesn't come like this. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to just turn this upside down because I have to start from the bottom up. Okay, well, at least I'm going to try because I just messed it up. But anyway, they come like this. Some of them will come in wedding fabric. This is the outside of the wedding dress. Okay, this is the way they come. You get some flowers and some brooches and some beads and some little pearls. Two different types of pearls in the brooch. Okay, some come in the inner part of some of the dresses, the wedding dresses. Okay, and this is the way it comes. And the other ones will be in the tulle on the inner part of the wedding dress. I'm trying to use everything that I have. Okay, so this is what it looks like. And they're really pretty. I think they're pretty. So let's get started. Let me show you more or less what's coming in the pack. Okay, and they're all the same. Okay, I have a few made. I still have to make a few more. It's first come first serve, obviously, because I could make a few, but I don't know how many I could make. But I will, if I sell them all, I'll let you know more or less if I can make another or I can't. Okay, so here we go. Let's get started. So you get this one here. You guys remember this from way back? Okay, so you get that. Okay, this one here, I don't know if this is a saint. I don't know, but it looks like a saint because it has the, I don't know any of this stuff, but I think it's a saint, and she's surrounded by flowers. I think that's really pretty. Okay, that will look nice on a box. Okay, so here we go. So you get this one here. Oops. And look how pretty that is with the flowers and the sequins and some beads. Pretty. Well, I'm not too close. Okay, let's see, and you get this one here. Okay, and they're all yard. Okay, this one you could actually cut. You know, you can make quite a few and add them onto your projects, and they're all beaded, as you could see. Oh, let me do it this way. These are beaded. I sold these way back, not this is from a different company. But I sold something similar to this, but they were not beaded. Okay, this one here. Oops, I'm trying to do them by size so I don't get them all tangled. Okay, look how pretty that is. Pretty. Okay, some sequins and some beads. Okay, this one is familiar, but it's not from my stash. None of this is from my stash. Okay, got this one here, also beaded. The long beads. There you go. Okay. This one is definitely from my stash. This goes way back. But this is the only one from my stash. I just happened to add that in because I thought it was pretty. Okay, you get a yard of this. Now this one, if I make the other kits, if I make a few more kits, I'm not going to have any of these left because I only have a certain amount. But I will replace it with something that I do have of the newer laces that I have. Okay. Let me see. Then we have. I'm getting caught on everything. Okay. Then we have this one here. Look how pretty that is. And you can cut that one and use it. Cut this one, so you can make them into appliques if you want. Okay. Let me fold it correctly. Okay, then we have this one. No, let me do that later. That one's still, I still have the bigger ones. They're all getting caught on the beads. Okay, so we got this one here. Look how pretty that one is. It's sequins. Look how pretty. and the little seed bead in the middle. Okay, let me fold that one. Okay, here's another one. Look how pretty that is. All small little beads. And you can cut these here. Okay, and put them onto your little projects. Or use the whole thing and put them onto like a box or a fabric journal. You guys know more or less. At least the ones that have been here for a while, follow me for a while. Okay, I gotta start making projects because, you know, I could only sell so much, but I get bored. I get bored too because I like to create things, and I was creating for a while, you know, for Christmas, because I make all my Christmas gifts. But it's so hard to show, to do videos and, you know, and show at the same time. Okay, so you get that one. That one's pretty. That's with little sequins. Pretty, pretty. But I will. I keep saying I will. I mean, I got a few things. I want to join a couple of the groups that were mentioned to me. And I want to start creating and doing some stuff. I have to. Because I'm, you know, you could only sell so much. And I actually do get bored. I mean, I love what I do, don't get me wrong. But I do get bored. You know, so I got to start changing my, I like to make stuff. I like to make stuff. Okay, look how pretty this one here. And this one here is 2 yards. This is the only one that has 2 yards. All the other ones are a yard. Okay, but it's so pretty. It's so pretty. With a little seed bead and a little sequins. Pretty, pretty. Okay, this one here. Look how gorgeous that is. Again, the little sequins in the middle and the seed bead. Not the seed bead, it's a little pearl. Sorry. Okay, let me just fold this nicely. Okay, then let's see. Then you get this one here. This is an off-white. Look how pretty that is. Okay, with the sequins in the middle and a little seed bead. Okay. Let's see. Okay. Let's see, how am I going to put this? Okay, then you get, okay, you get this one here. Look how pretty that is. This one here, that's white. Then you get the off-white. No, that's the white, the off-white and the white. They look similar. Then you get the black with the beads. Pretty, pretty. Then you get this one here. These are all the beads. Or the pearls, rather. They're not the seed beads. This one here. Sequins and beads. And the long little beads, the rice beads. Okay, you get this one here. A little dangle. Gorgeous. Okay. Get this one here. Okay. And you get this one here. Another black one with the little dangles. Look how pretty. Pretty, pretty. Okay. And you get this one here. The off-white. Sequins beads. I mean, not the pearls and the dangles. You guys know what I mean. Okay. Then you get 2 of these. Look how pretty. How pretty. Okay, here's another one. This one here. Okay, then you get this one here. I was trying to get the dangles as much as I can because you guys were asking me for dangles. So this is the ones that I found so far. I mean, I find quite a few, but I wasn't paying the price that we're asking me for. You know how that goes. I'm a bargain hunter. So, and then you get this one here, which is actually really pretty. Okay, and as far as the, what do you call that, the dangle laces, I might skip on that for a while because the prices that I see now I'm not interested in. So I mean I'm still looking, I just haven't found anyone that I like the price wise. And this is a nice one. Okay, these go on the shoulders of the bridal dresses, you guys know, but look how pretty that is. Pretty. And the last one here is this long one here. That one I put around here. This is the way to do it. Besides that, you get, this is the outside of, how do you call it, the outside of, this is how I make the little bouquet thing. Okay, so these are the flowers. I just got to put them together. Here we go. So you get all these little pretty little flowers. Okay, you get the bead. It's a yard. You get a little brooch, which is from my stash that I had for a while, and that's basically the only thing. Okay, then you get these here. You get a little wood heart for Valentine's. And you get these. Okay, and you get a yard. Okay, you get that. You get this one. Pretty. Get this one here. You get this one here. I think that's a nice package. And the last one, you get this one here. Here we go. Isn't that pretty? Okay, so I think it's a real nice package. Okay, and the price will be in the description box. Like I said, first come, first serve, because I made a few, and I could still make a few more, but I don't know how much. Like the flowers, I think I have plenty of flowers. The pearls, these is limited. Some of a few of the laces, I don't know. I gotta see, but I might replace it with something. But what I'll do is the ones that when I run out of something, and if you're ordering a package, I will show you a picture of what I'm replacing it with, and then you give me the yay or the nay. So this way, you guys are happy with the package that I'm sending you. But this is it, and like I said, first come, first serve. I'll leave my email in the description box. You will email me your order, and I will send you an okay. Okay. Other than that, I will see you in my next video, and thank you for watching. Bye bye.